slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
It, I use my edge control. I like to use my edge control. It gives this neat, it makes it to be very neat. Even though you wear it under your wig, but in the house we mostly remove our wigs. You understand? My sisters that wear wigs, you understand what I'm saying? And it makes it easier for you to cornrow your hair. It really makes it very easier. So just position your hand, you see me how I'm doing it. For some people, when you're starting, it might be a bit difficult, but the more you do it, the more you get used to it. It's something I've been doing for a long since I came to Germany. So, you know, in Germany, it's not really easy finding someone who can even do cornrow like that. So I've been doing this thing for so many years, for 7 years since I came to Germany. I had to learn it. The same way you're watching this, my video, same way I watch from somebody, and I learned how to cornrow my hair myself. See what I did? I already did the first one. Very easy. It was maybe up to an hour and I was done with my hair. You see, that's it. This is my hair also. Only white hair, that is my hair, my guys. That's my own blessing from my grandmom. Just stay to the end, please. If you find this my video important, if you find it educative, and you find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much. So the next thing, you continue lining your cornrows just like that. You go for the next until you are done with it. I have to use my fingers. Once I'm done with my fingers, I use now my comb to really, at least to make it to be neat. Even though you only live like that in the house, but it should be neat because you're at home with your kids, your husband, and the children. My children are very, very good at asking questions. When your hair is not good, they will like, mommy, your hair is not good. When it's good, they'll appreciate you, especially my boy. He always tell you, mommy, your hair is good. So even though we're at home, at least it needs to be good. Once it's old, I change it and I plait a new one, because to me it's very easy for me to do it. So that's just it. You see me, even I was plaiting and enjoying myself, closing my eyes. Guys, it's so easy. You don't need to stress looking for someone who will do your cornrows. You can just try it, learn it, and you will, before you realize it, you're already doing it. You understand? It's very easy. Very, very, very easy to do. See the way I'm enjoying myself. So I was almost done. I did the rest of it behind camera so that I wouldn't waste most of the time, because if not, the video will be a bit longer, because it's almost, I took almost an hour. That's between 50 to 55 minutes. That's what I did. The number of minutes I used in doing this it didn't take me that long, and I did it. So I was at the last one. You see my cornrow. I was set to wear my wig, guys. I'm so happy. I really love the way I've progressed. It was not like this in the beginning. Please mind you, I wasn't perfect, and I know I'm not still perfect, but at least I can plait it and use it for a month. 3 weeks, between 3 weeks and a month, I can use it and it's still fine on my hair. So that's the most important thing. Before, when I plait it, you'll be bulging out, you will not be strong. But now, practice, they say practice make perfect. Look at me, guys. Look at it. Is it not good? It's like somebody plaited me, right? I tried now. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to drop a comment, like it, rate this hair, please. Give me your marks. How many did I score? I tried, right? I was doing this hair outside. It was sunny. So the next thing, I want to show you how it looked like after